we're having another field day. We are headed to the New Rochelle, New York site. So, our New Rochelle site has a couple of very cool things going on. Hold on, lens looks a little dusty. All right, hopefully that got it. New Rochelle site's got quite a few interesting things going on here. The main one we're going to see is a sonic drill rig.
So we have a sonic drilling rig here behind me. It uses high frequency vibrations in order to move through soil and rock. And it's really efficient at getting rid of all the rock. You can actually see here the rock that it disturbs gets washed up as we go, and we drum everything that comes up so that we can dispose of it properly later on. But yeah, it's pretty cool. We're installing a geophysics well here, which is really interesting. We already set a permanent casing and grouted it in place to make sure it was stable. We're doing some hand clearing today. Before we started this, we had our GPR contractor out here to mark all the utilities for us, as well as UDIG New York. They marked out utilities as well. So now we're just making sure that there are no utilities in this area by digging it by hand. As they're digging up the soil, we're going to PID, and we're also going to log the soil to make sure that we can look at the results later.
What is that?
It's mica.
Oh, is it for real mica? We're rich!
We're actually investigating two different chlorinated solvent plumes here. We had a former dry cleaner and a former parts manufacturer that both use different chlorinated solvents, and they're actually polluting the groundwater, and the plumes have merged together. So we're here to investigate the groundwater contamination and how far it may have gone. And it's really important that we investigate this and remediate it if we need to, which is all part of New York DEC's initiative to protect the human health and environment of the area. Used to be a rock, but the sonic machine went right through it. It's all pulverized, you can see it here. Then we move into a silty layer, and you can see there's orange mottling. You can see all of these little layers all the way down. It's really spectacular. It makes what would normally be really difficult drilling a heck of a lot easier. We're expecting to see some weathered rock in this sleeve. So I'm just going to open it from the top, and we're going to move our way down to the bottom of the sleeve. You can see there is our rock.
Hey everybody, that's another day out here in the field. Thanks for joining us for this one. If you liked it or learned something, be sure to like and subscribe, and develop notifications, thumbs up down there. See you in the next video. Bye everybody.